Okay, we're here to replace this meter with the new AMI meter. Right now it's the old style AMR meter. All the equipment we have here is the new poly lid, the Iperl, the MXU, the programmer, the communicator, which is the blue box, and we have our tools, kneeling pad, turn off hook, washers. So hopefully this goes well. First we turn off our AMSs, both sides. Clear a box out of any dirt or debris that may inhibit your work area. We take our speed wrench, take off the customer side first, and we take off the city side. You got your old washers. Take off the caps. So we'll make sure this arrow is going towards the property, not the street. Have our new rubber washers. Be very careful of these plastic meters. They tend to strip out very easily. So just get a couple turns on one side while you do the other side. If you can't get it past 2 threads, back it off and check your alignment. This is as this one is doing. It's trying to cross thread. You don't need to be too tight. You can't break these bodies. Now we turn on the property side first. And we got a leak. I like to let it leak a little bit. Lubricates the washer. That way you can tighten it down more. Make that sound. Now we can turn on the city side slowly And we still got a leak, huh? No more leaks. It's our new reading, first 4 numbers. Still 0. Now we take this MXU, we install it in our new lid. To get these out, you press the 2 tabs here and push towards you, and you can wiggle this mushroom out. Unscrew the binding ring. And install the mushroom into the ring and into the lid. Now you take this MXU, there's 2 notches into this mushroom here that this actually locks into. Find those notches and you squeeze it back in. Make sure the wires are going this way and not towards the box. Okay, you can shear off these wires if you keep them when you put the lid back in. Now you can put the lid either way, this way or this way, whichever fits, whichever's out of the traffic way. So most of the walking traffic is to my right, so as long as it fits this way, you're fine. Now we use our communicator, put it on top of the mushroom. Use our field logic tool set, hit connection. What this does is finds the meter, finds the radio, marries the 2 together. And at the end, it tries to find the 2 antennas that we have around the city. Then it marries those 2 together. Sometimes it takes a little bit of movement of that communicator to get a good signal. Make sure this is on. Yep. Alright. You can't get a signal from the bottom. Or try to put this at the bottom of the lid. Try it that way. Here we go. You finally found the product. Or hit activate. This part of the process is usually the longest part, activating each meter. Activate again. Alright, we got our base station. We're getting normal mode, transmit mode, and that's good. So now we hit our back button and we disconnect. This disconnects from the blue box from the actual MXU. Remember to get your blue box back out of the hole, don't leave without it. And that is it. Then we will notate all this into our computer or our paperwork with the necessary changes so it can be read next month by the AMI system.